अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम फिर से कंफर्ट फूड बना रहे हैं। वेरी टेस्टी, वेरी इजी टू मेक एंड अच्छा भी लगता है पिकल के साथ, कोई भी चटनी के साथ या एनी अदर अकम्पनीमेंट ऑफ योर चॉइस। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। विल मेक दिस इन द कुकर, एक 1 pot डिश जैसा। सो कीप अ कुकर, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. When the ghee becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of zeera, 2 each of cardamom, cloves and cinnamon, long patta or ilachi. Saute for a few seconds. Add a medium-sized sliced onions and a few curry leaves. Saute till the onion becomes translucent. When the onions are done, add 2 green chillies slit. Keep sauteing. We won't be adding any chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon ginger paste, and a pinch of hing. Saute for a minute or so and add half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and mix well. Then add 250 grams or 1 glass of rice, washed and soaked for at least an hour. Also add 125 grams or half a glass of whole green moong, washed and soaked for an hour. Saute well. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. As you keep adding the ingredients, keep sauteing. Now add double the quantity of water. Rice is 1.5 cups, so add 3 cups of water. Cover and pressure cook for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, let the steam come down on its own. Moong khichdi is now ready. I've made it a little soft. If you wish it to be more grainy, add only 2.5 glasses of water instead of 3. Khichdi can be had with chutney, pickles, or of any accompaniment of your choice. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.